So these companies are Miniratna, Maharatna, and Navratna companies. The granting of the status resulted in better performance of these companies. Scholars allege that instead of facilitating public enterprises in their expansion and inability them to become global players, the government partly privatized them through disinvestment. What is the disinvestment? We already completed by the share, sell the shares. The government has decided to retain them in the public sector and enable them to expand themselves in the global markets and raise resources by themselves from financial markets. Okay, more than 10 crore million investment has done in the Maharatnas. Okay, so it has the limitation for the investment, and according to that, these are uh, in the grade of the Maharatna, Miniratna, or Navratna companies. Okay, next one is the government invested invested that privatization could provide strong impacts to the inflow of FDI. What do you mean by the FDI? FDI, that means foreign direct investment. Foreign companies directly use their knowledge, raw material, their efficiency, and their labor in the home country by the FDI, foreign direct investment. And the government has also made attempt to improve the efficiency of PSUs by giving them autonomy in taking managerial decisions. For instance, some PSUs have been granted special status as Maharatnas, Naratna, and Miniratna. Next one is globalization. What do you mean by the globalization? Now we are discussing the globalization. What do you mean by the globalization? Globalization is generally understood to means integration of the economy of the country with the rest of the world. It's known as globalization. What do you mean by the globalization? Globalization is integration of the economy of the country with the rest of the world economy. It's known as globalization. It is a complex phenomenon. Why? Because of so many students are, and other persons are thinking that globalization that means export import only, or globalization that means investment to other country. No, globalization that means permission, or you can say integration of the economy of a country with the rest of the world, less and reduce the rules and regulations and restrictions for the export and import, and uh, all other things which can be tangible or intangible. For this type of commodities and goods and services, these commodities can be easily export or import. Reduction of the, you can say, reduce restrictions. Then second thing is investment also can done, not only export import, investment also can be possible. So in this, it is an outcome of the set of the various policy. It is what? It is the outcome of the set of the various policies that are aimed at transformation of the world towards greater independence and integration. It involves creation of networks and activities transact, uh, transcending economics, social and geographical boundaries. It's known as globalization in broad. Globalization attempts to establish link in such way that the happenings in India can be influenced by events happening miles away. It is turning the world into one hall or creating a borderless world. That means any type of commodity, any type of service, any type of activity, maybe social, cultural, economy, these all are transit with each other in the rest of the world. In a broad sense, I can say it is the globalization. Okay. It is turning the world into one hall or creating a borderless world where no any border, no any type of restrictions. It's globalization in the broad. Outsourcing. Outsourcing, this is the one of the important outcomes of the globalization process. In outsourcing, a company hires regular services from external sources. It is meaning of the outsourcing. What do you mean by the outsourcing? Outsourcing, that means a company hires regular services from internal sources. For an example, if I have a lot of work. If I will get outsourcing, I will my work will complete by other person. I will pay any amount to that person, and that person will complete my work. For an example, if I am a owner of a company, if I am an employer of a company, I want to complete my work, but I have not a sufficient time. I want to do this, that, everything. And for this all, if I have not sufficient time, what I will do? I will I will hire some services from other persons, from external sources. So my work will done by not me. My work will done by other person, but it will done at the correct time, appropriately, properly, in a proper sense, in a proper manner. So what I will do? I will pay amount to them, but my work will done. If I want to, there's all it cannot complete at the same time at the appropriate time. So what I will do? And I want to complete this work also, not only complete, accomplish my work. So for that purpose, I will hire regular services from external sources. It's known as outsourcing. So this type of outsourcing done by not in within a country boundary, it can be done out of the geographical boundary of the country also. So this type of globalization process done with outsourcing with other countries. In companies hires regular services from external sources, mostly from other countries, which was previously provided internally or from within the country, like legal advice, computer services, advertisement, security, each provided by the respective department of the company. This all were done in the past time in the country only, in the geographical boundary of a country only. But after globalization, outsourcing can be possible with the rest of the world, other countries. As a form of economic activity, outsourcing has intensified in recent times because of the growth of the fast modes of communication and particularly the growth of information technology. This all can be outsourced with other country. Okay, many of the services such as voice based business process properly popularly known as BPO, okay, or called centers. So records keeping, this whole work has done by the outsourcing. Next one is the accountancy, banking services, music recording, film editing, book transcription, and clinical advice or even teaching are being outsourced by companies in developed countries to India. At present, this all are going on. So, with the help of modern telecommunication links, including the internet, this all can be possible with the help of internet. At present, you know, friends, many types of things, many types of technologies. At present, it is a condition. We cannot meet to each other physically. We cannot in a each other contact. We can contact with the laptop, internet, okay, and mobile. So we can transit over all type of things, we clinical advice and book transcriptions, film editing, music recording, banking services, accountancy. This all work only and only done by the online system, by the internet. Okay. So at the same time, telecommunicate the help of the telecommunication, the text, voice, visual data, this all can be in the digital form and this all can be transferred from one person to another person. And we can satisfy our requirements. So this all can be possible with the help of the telecommunication and this all are help for the development of our country. Okay. So most multinational corporations and even small companies are outsourcing their services to India, where they can be availed at the cheaper price. Okay, at cheaper cost with reasonable degree of skill and accuracy. The low wage rates and availability of skilled manpower in India have made it a destination for global outsourcing in the post reforms period. All are going on in a proper manner with the help of the internet. Next one is the World Trade Organization. This World Trade Organization I will discuss in the next lecture, friends. Now at present you have to complete my all previous explained points, topics and chapter. You have to write this all assignment, all type of textual exercise in your notebook. Complete your first and second chapter. And third chapter you have to read and revise same topic with me. Otherwise your work burden is increasing day by day. Okay, friends. So be happy, be safe at your home, and complete your assignment. Complete, revise same topic at your home. And if you have any query personally, you can talk with me. Okay, you can personally message me. Okay, friends. Bye. We will meet again in the next lecture.